Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about the use case and customization of the Content Protector extension. To demonstrate how this extension works, first we'll need to have some content on our page. Let's take this part as an example. There is an advanced heading widget and a text editor and a button. Now go to the page preview and inspect the content part. There you can see the class codes and content info within the console. Let's leave it at that and open a new tab to go back to your WordPress dashboard. There, go inside Element Pack's extension tab. Then find the Content Protector switcher and turn it on. Then save settings. Then going back to the page and jumping into the page settings. From there, let's turn on the Content Protector switcher and update the page. Now move into the preview mode and reload the page. Now try to right click on the page to bring out the inspect menu. You can't, can you? That is the feature of Content Protector. It locks out your users from copying anything on the page or inspecting the page through the inspect menu. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.